The Scania Chimera is a jaw-dropping custom concept truck blending futuristic design with mechanical precision. Built by Svempa Bergendahl, this showpiece combines Scania's engineering DNA with avant-garde aesthetics. Its aerodynamic bodywork, exposed engine elements, and aggressive stance make it both an art form and a performance icon. Equipped with a powerful Scania V8, the Chimera delivers exceptional torque and acceleration. It symbolizes innovation and craftsmanship in the world of custom trucking where form meets function in perfect harmony. Filthy is a fully customized show truck that represents raw power and street-inspired design. With its matte black finish, low-slung stance, and precision detailing, it redefines modern trucking aesthetics. Under the hood, it's engineered for performance, featuring upgraded suspension, high-output powertrain, and tuned exhaust acoustics. Every aspect of Filthy emphasizes individuality and strength, embodying the culture of custom rigs built not just to haul, but to impress. It's a mechanical statement of personality and precision. The custom Peterbilt 389 is a masterpiece of heavy-duty performance and bespoke craftsmanship. Renowned for its classic long-nose design, this build features polished chrome, custom lighting, and interior luxury that rivals premium vehicles. Powered by a high-torque diesel engine and enhanced by aerodynamic refinements, it blends old-school charisma with modern efficiency. Every inch of this Peterbilt reflects dedication to detail, crafted for drivers who see trucking not just as work, but as a passion and lifestyle. The 2021 Peterbilt Flat Top Custom is a perfect fusion of tradition and innovation. Retaining the legendary Peterbilt profile, it introduces cutting-edge modifications from air-ride suspension to bespoke paintwork and digital cockpit controls. Designed for both show and long-haul performance, it delivers comfort, power, and unmatched road presence. Inside, premium materials and ergonomic features ensure a first-class driving experience. It's more than a truck, it's a rolling showcase of American craftsmanship. Kenworth W900 Hot Rod Gig transforms a classic workhorse into a head-turning performance beast. With its hot rod-inspired paint, custom exhaust stacks, and lowered chassis, it radiates attitude and power. The massive engine delivers roaring torque while maintaining the durability Kenworth is famous for. Inside, modern technology meets retro design, creating a unique blend of nostalgia and innovation. It stands as a bold tribute to trucking heritage with the spirit of a custom street machine. The Unicat Expedition Vehicle is an all-terrain fortress engineered for global exploration. Combining military-grade durability with luxury interiors, it features 4x4 or 6x6 drivetrains, high ground clearance, and self-sufficient living systems. Solar power, water filtration, and reinforced chassis construction make it capable of thriving in extreme environments. Inside, it offers premium comfort with advanced navigation and communication systems. The Unicat represents freedom without limits, a true off-grid home built for adventurers.
You have to ask yourself, why? Why evolve the DNA of a time-tested truck? Why travel more than 1 million miles to reinvent the wheels that move the world? Because when we look to the future, we see an opportunity for a brighter, cleaner, and more efficient world. This is the vision of tomorrow that drives us to push further today. The power to advance what's possible starts with what's inside. The Detroit E powertrain. With an all-Detroit E-axle, battery, and software system, the Detroit E powertrain is precision engineered and dependable to the core. It's fully integrated for optimum efficiency and ease of charging. It drives commerce with a range of up to 230 miles. And with 100% torque delivery from 0 miles per hour, it provides quick, smooth acceleration.
The Freightliner E-Cascadia is a revolutionary step towards zero-emission freight transport. Powered entirely by electricity, it delivers impressive torque, smooth acceleration, and up to 370 kilometers of range per charge. Designed for regional haul operations, it features regenerative braking, intelligent energy management, and driver-focused digital displays. Beyond sustainability, the E-Cascadia provides lower operational costs and near-silent performance, paving the way for a cleaner, more efficient future in the trucking industry. The Freightliner M2-106 hauler is a versatile medium-duty powerhouse designed for towing, transport, and commercial versatility. Featuring a durable aluminum cab, aerodynamic profile, and customizable rear hauler bed, it delivers reliability and precision. Powered by a robust diesel engine with Allison automatic transmission, it ensures effortless hauling and excellent fuel economy. Inside, the spacious cab integrates ergonomic controls, premium materials, and advanced safety features, making it a trusted partner for both work and recreation. The Turnkey Race Hauler is a premium mobile garage, engineered for transporting high-performance race cars and equipment. Built with precision aluminum framing and advanced climate control, it protects valuable assets during travel. The hauler includes integrated living quarters, power systems, and workshop space, allowing teams to operate efficiently at the track. Every feature is optimized for functionality, safety, and style, making it the ultimate support vehicle for professional motorsport operations. The Kamaz motorhome with sauna redefines expedition luxury with rugged Russian engineering. Built on a military-grade Kamaz chassis, it combines off-road capability with high-end comfort. The interior features a full living suite, kitchen, and a built-in sauna offering relaxation even in remote conditions. Designed for endurance and autonomy, it includes advanced heating, solar, and water systems. This unique motorhome merges toughness and comfort, proving that adventure can coexist with luxury.
Кроме этого, за стеной сауны размещаются 2 снегохода и 4 спальных места. Теперь обо всем по порядку. Так называемой головой автопоезда является премиум-автодом, копирующий внутренним наполнением один из наших недавних проектов, полноценный обзор на который вы можете посмотреть, перейдя по подсказке вверху экрана. Сегодня мы не будем подробно останавливаться на нем и все внимание уделим прицепу. В основании прицепа шасси с внедорожными колесами, такими же, как на идущем впереди КАМАЗе. Это обеспечивает единую колею и отсутствие эффекта плуга. Установленный на прицеп фургон длиной 7,2 метра по всем параметрам полностью копирует фургон автодома, начиная от 4-слойной сэндвич-конструкции с качественным утеплением, заканчивая окраской в лесной камуфляж. Прежде всего, необходимо рассказать о концепции проекта. Прицеп — это дополнительный модуль, позволяющий по-новому взглянуть на отдых на природе и разнообразить его. По задумке заказчика, пространство внутри делится на 2 отсека. Отсек с сауной и отсек для перевозки 2 снегоходов с резервными спальными местами. Теперь рассмотрим все более детально.
The Kenworth K200 is a top-tier cabover truck known for its efficiency, driver comfort, and aerodynamic design. Built for long-haul and urban operations, it features a lightweight yet durable frame, advanced safety systems, and a spacious cabin with premium amenities. Its powerful engine delivers outstanding fuel efficiency and torque. Designed with driver ergonomics in mind, the K200 provides unmatched visibility and maneuverability, making it a favorite among fleets prioritizing performance and comfort. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.